Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this a while back and I just saw it. I don't ever do Facebook messaging, and well, I do, but somebody new sends me a message, I don't see it, and the flag doesn't look right. And he's already done kind of the work for me. He's got a red outline where he wants a white box, but it needs to be transparent so it doesn't bleed. So we're gonna do this. We're going to left click no fill. We are going to take that red line, and you can see right here it's a red line. We're going to make it a white line. Well, make it a white line, and I'll tell you what, let's make it thicker first. Let's make it 1.5 and make it white, so we can basically see it against the yellow. Now we need to take this line and convert it to an object. Then we need to take our smart fill and fill that in. And back up here, I'm going to change my nudge distance to 3 inches. Take my smart fill and fill this in. Nudge it over 3 inches. Sorry about that. Then I'm going to try to grab that box, and I'm going to nudge it out of the way because I might want to use it later. Now I can take my smart fill and nudge it back. This way you have kind of an outline around the flag. But I don't know how I'm going to do that and still have an outline because it's leaking into the outline. Tell you what, let's back up here. Let's leave that there. There we go. That's what we need to do. Then we can smart fill this. And the smart fill is, the white box is stopping it. There we go. We've moved it out of the way. Now let's nudge this back. And there's the problem solved. Take the smart fill and fill in the few spots that the smart fill cannot get to. And there you have it. It needs a little bit of cleaning up. I don't know what's going to happen if we delete these lines, but it worked. And maybe the box is a little bit too big to the bottom side. And I'm going to have to zoom in here in a second. And I'm going to get to a problem probably down here. So let's keep deleting them until we get a problem. Nope, no problem. See if we do that. Good to go. Project complete. Pretty simple. It's a little bit confusing sometimes. And well, we need to fill this in with black. And there we go. The flag looks much better. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.